My name is Jeremy Cersei, and I am doing a report on Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson was born April 13, 1743. He was also the author of the Declaration of Independence. He was the President of the United States of America. In his lifetime, he was a president, public official, historian, philosopher, and plantation owner. Thomas Jefferson began building Monticello when he was 26 years old. These are only some of his lifetime events. When Thomas Jefferson was just a kid, he was getting a formal education, studying Latin and Greek too. At 14 years old, he started learning literature and mathematics. Then after he learned everything he could, he went to college. After 3 years at William and Mary, he decided to go into law work. Then he married Martha Jefferson. They ended up having 6 kids, but only had 2 that survived their childhood. Thomas Jefferson was grateful for all that he was blessed with. He showed that in this famous quote by him, "How little do my countrymen know what precious blessings they are in possession of, in which no other people on earth enjoy." He showed just how grateful for his long life he was blessed with. But sadly, on July 4th, 1826, he died. My thoughts about this man are incredible and great, because this is a man that could say he helped make America what it is today. This has been a biography from Jeremy Cersei.